Okay, so for the first question of the elasticity, are the following elasticities are elastic, inelastic, inelastic, luxury goods, inferior goods, necessity, a substitute, or a complement? Okay, so I have a table for you. So you can see that in the question there is 4 types of elasticities: demand elasticity, supply elasticity, income elasticity, and cross price elasticity. So I believe that all of you guys know what is elasticity and its formula, which is super important. Okay, so we are going to use this table to solve this problem. So for question 1, EI, which tells us that it is income elasticity. So as it is greater than 1, it is luxury goods. In question 2, EXY, which tells us that cross price elasticity, and as it is 0.45, which is greater than 0, so it must be substitute goods. And sorry for bad handwriting. Substitute goods. Okay, and the ED for the question 3, which states that it is about demand elasticity. For this one, we are going to use absolute value, so we put absolute here, so it must be 1.6. So 1.6 is greater than 1 here, so it must be elastic goods. Elastic. So in the question 4 here, EI, income elasticity, it is minus 1.3, which is less than 0 here, so it must be inferior goods. So ES, which is supply elasticity, so it is greater than 1, which is 1.2 here, so it must be elastic. In question 6, ED, we also use absolute value for demand elasticity. Here you put absolute here, which is going to be 0.12, and we can see that it is smaller than 1, so it must be inelastic goods. Inelastic. So for the EI here, income elasticity 0.67, which is between 0 and 1, so here must be necessity goods. In question 8 here, EXY, which tells us that it is cross price elasticity, and is negative 0.57, so it is smaller than 0, so it must be complement. And then ES, it is supply elasticity, and it is 0.45, which is smaller than 1, with it going to be inelastic. And EI5, which is income elasticity, and it is greater than 1, so it must be luxury goods. Okay.